Namaste Chhatraha. PA4 is coming. For that, today we'll start the revision. And one more thing, this PA4, no Google Forms. This PA4, no Google Forms. Only 20 marks descriptive type. So, in PA4 or this PA4, no Google Forms, only 20 marks descriptive type. You have to read the main and write the answer. You have to read the question and write the answer. So, this PA4, Google Forms is not there. Only descriptive type questions are there. You have to read the questions and write the answers. So, this PA4, no Google Forms. 20 mark, only descriptive type. Let's start the revision. So, no Google Forms, only descriptive type questions are there. Let's start the revision. First, you have to read the main properly and try to understand the meaning. You have to read the main properly and try to understand the meaning. English also there. In your question paper, English also there. Now, Rikta Sthanam Purayata. You have to read the main. Rikta Sthanam Purayata means fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks using Eshaha, Esha, Etat. That's why Rikta Sthanam Purayata. Fill in the blanks. How? Now using Eshaha, Esha, Etat. It's very easy. So that's why you have to read the means properly and try to understand the meaning. Rikta Sthanam Purayata. Rikta means blank. Sthanam means place. Purayata means fill. Fill in, that's called fill in the blanks. Means Rikta Sthanam Purayata. How? Na Eshaha, Esha, Etat. You have to fill in the blanks using Eshaha, Esha, Etat. Is clear? Let's start. Now, first, this is lesson number 9. First, we'll do revision. Lesson number 9. So, lesson number 9, we'll do revision first. Then, after. So, Rikta Sthanam Purayata using Eshaha, Esha, Etat. You have to tell which one I have to write here. Tata is there. Is it Eshaha I write or Esha or Etat? Which one I have to write here? Tataha. Eshaha Tataha or Esha Tataha or Etat Tataha. Which one correct? What? Eshaha. Eshaha Tataha. How and why? Because Tataha is a Pullinga Shabdaha. How you guys know that? Tataha is a Pullinga Shabdaha. End of the word aha is there. End of the word aha is there. That's why Tataha is a Pullinga Shabdaha. So, Eshaha also here Pullinge. Esha also here came Pullinge. This Sarvanama, this pronoun also came Pullinge. So, Eshaha Tataha. Next, Nashika. Which one correct? Eshaha, Esha or Etat? Nashika is there. Tell the answer. Nashika. Esha Nashika. Correct? Yes. Why? Nasika is a Strilinga Shabdaha. Nashika is a Strilinga Shabdaha. That's why Esha Nashika. Look at Eshaha, you have to use only Pumlinge. Esha, you have to use only Strilinge. And Etat, you have to use only Napumsakalinge. Is clear? So, Esha Nashika. Nashika is a Strilinga Shabdaha. How? At the end of the word, A ki matra is there. That's why Nashika is a Strilinga Shabdaha. So, we'll write here Esha. Is clear? Now, Nadi. Eshaha Nadi. or esha nadi or etat nadi? Which one correct? Nadi, you have to say first nadi, which lingam? Which lingam this word? Nadi, punglingam, strilingam or napumsakalingam? Strilingam. Look here, strilingam. End of the word a ki matra. This a ki matra and e ki matra are there, means this word is in strilinga or strilingam. So nadi, end of the word e ki matra is there. That's why nadi is a strilinga shabdah. Like this, janani is a strilinga shabdah, lekhani is a strilinga shabdah, ankani is a strilinga shabdah. Dirgha will come, dirgha. Nadi, lekhani, janani. These words strilinga. That's why what? Esha is correct. Esha nadi. If I ask ghati, then esha ghati or esha ghati. Which one correct? Esha ghati. Why? Na ghati is strilinga shabdah. End of the word e ki matra is there. That's why ghati is strilinga shabdah. So esha ghati you have to say, you have to write. Is clear? Now moolam. Moolam means root. So esha moolam. This one or this one? Which one? I have to write moolam. Etat moolam. Etat moolam. Because etat you have to use napumsakalinga. Here moolam is a napumsakalinga shabdah. End of the word am ki matra or halant yukta mo ki matra is there. That's why moolam is a napumsakalinga shabdah. Ramaha, which linga? Punglinga. Balika, which linga? Strilinga. Phalam, which linga? Napumsakalinga or napumsakalingam. Is clear? Etat moolam. Now Rohitaha. Name is there. Rohitaha. Any boy name is Rohitaha. Now you have to tell esha I have to write or esha or etat. Tell. First eshaha, correct. Eshaha Rohitaha. Is clear? Now it's a simple process. Balakaha. Aha is there, means you have to write friend of eshaha. Aha ki matra is there, means you have to use eshaha. This is simple process. You can use like this also. Aha ki matra is there, means friend of the word you have to write eshaha. A ki matra and e ki matra is there, means you have to write esha. If you keep it in mind, a ki matra and e ki matra is there, means you have to write friend of this word, friend of the word esha. And mo is there, means end of the word mo is there, means you have to write etat. This process also you can use. Is clear? And now one more thing in lesson number 9. Prashna vakyam likhatah. Prashna vakyam likhatah means answers are there, you have to convert or you have to make questions. Answers are there, you have to convert or you have to make questions. That's called Prashna vakyam likhatah. Prashna vakyam likhatah. Answers are there, you have to make questions or you have to convert questions. Now eshaha yuvakaha. Eshaha yuvakaha. Yuvaka means youth. Eshaha yuvakaha. Now this is a what? Answer. Now you have to convert or you have to make questions. Eshaha yuvaka is answer. So you have to make questions. You have to make eshaha yuvaka is answer. What is the question will come? Simply no. Eshaha kaha. And you have to put question mark. You have to put question mark. Must be. Eshaha yuvakaha is answer. Question eshaha kaha. Is clear? Now esha lata. Esha lata is answer. You have to make questions. Esha ka. Correct? Esha ka. Esha lata. Next one. Etat phalam. Is answer. You have to make questions. Etat kim. Etat kim. Etat kim. Answer. Etat phalam. Etat phalam. Questions. Etat kim. Look at this question. Esha kaha. Esha yuvakaha. Esha ka. Esha lata. Etat kim. Etat phalam. Answer. Question. Question. Answer. Is clear? So Esha kaha. You have to write. Sir, Esha yuvakaha. This answer you have to make the question. Esha kaha. If I say Esha janani. Esha janani. This is the answer. Now question. Esha ka. Esha ka. Now one more thing. Esha yuvakaha is the answer. You have to write Esha kaha. Or you can write kaha yuvakaha. Kaha yuvakaha. This one also you can write. Esha yuvakaha. You can write kaha yuvakaha. Or Esha kaha. Now Esha lata. Then you have to convert Esha ka. Or you can write ka lata. Ka lata. Esha lata. Etat phalam. Etat kim. Or kim phalam you can also write. Kim phalam. Kim phalam. Then etat phalam. Look at two options are there. Choose any one. Esha yuvakaha. Esha kaha. It's simple. Esha yuvakaha. Answer. Question. Esha kaha. Esha lata. Is it answer? Question. Esha ka. Etat phalam. Answer. Question. Etat kim. It's a very easy process, this one. Or you can use like this. Kaha yuvakaha. Ka lata. Kim phalam. Now lesson number 10. Etat mama gruham. This is my house. There kriya padani. Kriya padani verbs are there. Kriya padani. So many kriya padani are there. You have to read properly this kriya padam or kriya padani. Means kriya padam means verbs. Look here. I wrote few verbs. You have to read. Pachati, anayati, pibati, pujayati, khelati, hasati, vikasati. Pachati means cooking. Anayati means bringing. Pibati means drinking. Pujayati means doing puja. Khelati means playing. Hasati means smiling. Vikashati means blooming. So you have to read this all kriya padams properly with meaning. Pachati, cooking. Anayati, bringing. Pibati, drinking. Pujayati, doing puja. Khelati, playing. Hasati, smile or smiling. Vikasati, blooming. You read all kriya padam. Now one more interesting thing. Fill in the blanks with correct verb. Fill in the blanks with correct verb. Not correct or with correct word. Look here. You have to choose which one correct here. It's clear. That's why fill in the blanks with correct verb or correct word. Now Anuja. You can read yourself. Anuja dash likhati or hasati. I think in a textbook. Anuja likhati or hasati. Which one correct? This one or this one? Anuja hasati. This one is correct. Am I right? Yes. Now read. Pita dash aanayati. Pita dash aanayati. फलानी और वनानी. पीता किम आनयति. आनयति means bringing. Pita means father. Pita dash aanayati. Which one correct answer? This one or this one? Pita banani aanayati is correct. Correct. Then Pita phalani fruits. Phalani. Yes. Phalani aanayati. This is correct. Very easy, no? Now, Pitamahi means grandmother. Pitamahi dash pujayati. Pujayati means puja. Pitamahi dash pujayati. Which word correct? Here verb is not there. Only word. Which word correct? Or which word is appropriate? Pitamahi dash pujayati. Jalam. Niru. Jalam niru. Jalam pujayati. Or devam. Which one correct? Jalam or devam? Kim pujayati Pitamahi? Devam. Good. That's why you have to read the lesson properly. Pitamahi devam pujayati. And last one you have to use your mind. Sa mama dash. Sa mama dash. Mata or pita? Mom or dad? Sa mama, mata or pita? Which word correct? I have to tell. This is your intelligent test. Sa mama dash. Mata or pita? Yes, sa mama mata. Sa mama mata. Why? Because here sa is there, no sa. So sa mama mata. If saha is there, you can say saha mama pita. This is your intelligent test. So sa mama mata. This one is correct. Like this, you have to fill in the blanks with correct words or correct verbs. Now, yojayata. Yojayata means matching. So match the following with correct or appropriate verbs. Is clear? Yojayata, match the following. How? With correct or appropriate verbs. Now, here kamalam, balakaha, phalam, chalakaha, shikshakaha. Read once. Kamalam, balakaha, phalam, chalakaha, shikshakaha. Here verbs pathayati, next chalayati, next pathati, next patati, next vikasati. Pathayati means teaching. Pathayati means teaching. Chalayati means driving. Pathati means reading or study. Pathati. Patati means falls. Vikasati means blooming. Now you have to match the following. First one, kamalam is there. Then which verb is correct? Kamalam. Pathayati, chalayati, patati, pathati or vikashati. Kamalam. Kamalam means all of you knows. What? Lotus. Kamalam, blooming, vikasati. Like this you have to match the following. Kamalam, vikasati. Now balakaha, boy. Balakaha, pathayati, chalayati, pathati, patati. Balakaha, pathati means reading. Balakaha, pathati. Is correct, no? Next, phalam. Phalam, what? Patati. Yes. Phalam. Any fruit. Patati. Falling. Chalakaha, driver. Chalakaha, driver. Then driving. Chalayati. Am I right? Chalayati. Last one. Shikshakaha, teacher. शिक्षकः teaching, then पाठयति is correct, no? So like this you have to match the following. Look at कमलं विकसति, बालकः पठति, फलं पतति, चालकः चालयति, शिक्षकः पाठयति. This one is बहुवचन रूपाणि लिखतः. बहुवचन रूपाणि लिखतः means you have to write what? Plural forms. Is clear? Singular is there, you have to convert plural. Singular to plural. That's called बहुवचन रूपाणि लिखत. Now एषा is a singular, then बहुवचनम plural. एषा एताः. You read properly in your textbook. In exercise is there. Esha etaha. Then eshaha is singular. Plural. Ete. Correct? Etat. Etani. Saha. Te. Saha. Te. Saha singular, te plural. This thing in the textbook you have to practice properly. Esha etaha, esha ete, tat tani. Sorry, etat etani. Tat tani also correct. Saha te. You have to practice properly this thing. Here also बहुवचन रूपाणि लिखत. Few words are there. They are in singular. You have to convert singular to plural. That's called बहुवचन रूपाणि लिखत. You have to say yourself only. Devah, God. So ekavachanam, now बहुवचनम. Deva is a singular. Now plural. Devah, devaha. Correct. Next, Sita. Sita. Correct. Next, Anujaha, smaller brother. Anujaha. Correct? Bhavanam, building. Bhavanam. Bhavanam, Bhavanani is a Napumsakalinga. Phalam, Phalani, Vanam, Vanani. Same way, Bhavanam, Bhavanani. Like this, you have to write Bhavanam, Bhavanani, Vanam, Vanani, Jalam, Jalani. Next, Choraha, thief, Choraha, the singular, बहुवचन Choraha, correct. Next, Balika, girl. Tell answer. Balika, correct. So this is singular to plural. Is clear? If I say Ramaha, is singular. Plural, Ramaha. Gayakaha is singular. Then plural, Gayakaha. Look here. Devaha is singular. Simple process. Then plural form. Devaha to Devaha. Deva is there, put Aki Matra. This is a plural form. Devaha, Devaha. Sita, Sitaha. Is clear? Now, few singular and plural words are there. You have to choose which one singular. You have to write singular place, and which one plural. You have to write plural place. Ekavachanam, Bahuvachanam. Which word is in Ekavachana? You have to write Ekavachana's place. Which word is in Bahuvachanam? You have to write Bahuvachana's place. Is clear? Now you have to choose. Khagaha. Ekavachanam or Bahuvachanam? Where I have to write? Here or there? Here Ekavachanam, here Bahuvachanam. Singular, plural. Ekavachanam, Bahuvachanam. So Khagaha, where I have to write? Here or there? Khagaha here. is a singular. Am I right? Yes. Is over. Next, chatakaha words. Chatakaha. Where have to write? Here or there? Singular or plural? Ekavachanam or bahuvachanam? Where I have to write? Chatakaha. You have to tell. Here. Yes. Say bahuvachanam. Chatakaha. Plural. Next, chayaha. Shadows. Chayaha. Is ekavachanam or bahuvachanam? Bahuvachanam. Then here or there? There only. Correct. Chayaha. Next one, you have to tell. Falani. Here or there? Where I have to write? Falani. Ekavachanam place or bahuvachanam place? Falani is bahuvachanam, no? Falani. Phalam, phalani. Phalam is a singular, phalani is a plural. Is over. Now, pustakam. This is a pustakam. Book. Pustakam. Is singular or plural? Ekavachanam or bahuvachanam? Pustakam. Ekavachanam. Right? Is over. Now last one. Name is there. Mamata. Is a singular? Is ekavachanam mamata or bahuvachanam? Last one for you all guys. Mamata is a singular or plural? Ekavachanam or bahuvachanam? Where I have to write mamata? This word here or there? Here is ekavachanam, there is a bahuvachanam. Choice yours. Mamata? Yes, ekavachanam. Over. So, we will complete the revision. Best wishes for PA4. Thank you. Dhanyavad.